but by the extent to which one uses what is accumulated for the service of others, was said by one of the greatest minds of India, Swami Vivekananda. Good evening, distinguished professors and officials of Sophia University, my fellow students, ladies and gentlemen. I feel privileged to stand here and express my views on behalf of the participants of India. My name is Rabia Basri Farooqi and I'm from southern India. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the management and officials of Sophia University for initiating this program and for inviting us here, and also giving the opportunity to the students worldwide to embark and strengthen their knowledge and to embark their future here. A heartfelt gratitude to Japan Science and Technology for inviting us to experience and enhance our knowledge. So we initiated the day with the introduction of Sophia University, including the key points: English medium program, liberal arts, FLA, science and technology, FST, SPSF, Sophia program for sustainable future. Then an impressive and informative campus tour. Moving on with briefing session for green science and green engineering courses by Professor Jiro Kondo. Proceeding towards the laboratories, including polymer chemistry, semiconductor engineering, and AI lab. Then moving on to the lecture on current status and the future possibilities of AI by Professor Gonsalves Tad, and concluded with an exciting exchange program and the experience of the student who have studied in Sophia University. Therefore, I would like to conclude, and I would like to once again thank this prestigious institution for enhancing our knowledge. Hence, I would like to conclude with a quote by the great Indian philosopher Buddha. He says, "What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us." Thank you once and all. Thank you one and all.